guys, in today's video we're going to be playing tag in a beach, but I have grav monkey, which means that my gravity gets altered based on where I put my hands. So if I touch the wall, my gravity is now stuck to the wall.
You told me this is a disadvantage, so I'm just gonna go.
It's not very good, because I make one mistake, I'm kind of dead permanently.
Oh yeah, that was pretty funny though. You flew out of the
side jump off? Oh, I can't do that. Physically. You're at a disadvantage. I can't.
God.
Now this, I have a semi-advantage.
Now you have the advantage because you can climb every. Okay. How about you don't use it too much, man? I'm not very good. I can barely tag you without mods. Dang it. Okay.
Oh no! Oh God! I can't believe.
Wait, when you bounce stuff in the water, what happens? Does it draw you towards it? Or still no? Don't you dare! Damn!
I see what I mean. I can't escape. Oh God! Oh no! Oh God!
Are you dead? Are you dead? Are you dead?
I'm coming back.
Wait. You flew out of the map. God. No, please. Please. Oh, I can't climb that. Dang it. I feel like I have. Dang!
Okay, so I can't get in water. Hi.
Oh, hi there. Don't
Crap,
climb me.
I'm stuck under.
No, we can climb up the wall. See, you said this was a disadvantage, but is it really a disadvantage?
Huh?
Is it really a disadvantage?
It's a disability for trying to catch you.
I got stuck. You didn't see that, right?
No,
I got this. Yeah.
See what I mean? I can't. Oh God.
Yes, no.
It's not fun. You only like half use it to catch you. And I have to like get back to the ground somehow. Where are you? Gee.
God. I smoked you.
Damn. Okay, now this is
Dang it, the stupid palm tree killed me. And me up again. That stupid palm tree. I hate it. Don't go any higher, Doc. Don't go any higher. I wouldn't go any higher. I mean, you remember what happened last time, don't you?
I can't forget.
You remember what happened last time you did this? Don't do it again. Don't do it again.
I'm stuck to the wall.
Don't do it again.
No.
Did you do it again? I think you did. Did you do it again? Did you do it again? Nox, did you do it again? Did you do it? Have you stuck there forever now? Where are you? Now, where are you? Oh, got stuck. So guys, he gets stuck up there, and he literally can't move until, well, he leaves the game. He has to literally full close gorilla attack. He can't get to the thing. He gets thrown. No, legit, it's so bad.
Hate that stupid mod.
It's not stupid if it works in my favor.
It's only like half good.
It's only like half good. It's good.
I can't
It's
even
good in
start
every
with
map
you.
but beach.
Wow. Oh, but it took my gravity, which means I'll just fly that way.
It's good in every map but clouds and beach. And probably
Did
caves.
you end the video?
No?
Oh.
No.
I'm sorry guys. Kinda died.
We're not ending.
Oh,
We're
frick.
not ending.
I can't stop. I can't fix my gravity.
We're not stopping.
I can't do anything.
You can do stuff. You're the one who
I'm all in the water.
We kind of wanted this.
I can't do much. I can't do this, but...
You down there. Okay. See, right down that. Wait. Can't you climb back up if you touch? I smell you. I smell you. I smell you. I smell you, dude.
Oh no.
Dang it.
Well,
Get me out.
oh god.
Oh. Oh god, that's hilarious. That's so hilarious. You guys don't understand how funny it is. Oh my god. What are you doing? I don't know. Comment down below. I read all of them.
I sacrificed myself to the... Just get it to end my life sooner.
End you. I'm not gonna end you. I'll kill you after I end you. Peekaboo! Oh, peekaboo!
Bro, what are you doing? Oh man, my hand slipped. Bro, this is the least scary. I got places to be?
No, you don't. Bro, that was you were about to say that's as scary as the Five Nights at Freddy video. Sorry to God about it. Or the Phasmophobia video. I like dying. A wonderful
You forgot
death.
something, Madden.
What?
I can change my modding power.
No, you can't. No, then you ruined the title. You ruined the title. I already have a title. I already have a title, Knox. Change it back. Change it back. The whole. I already had a title, man. I don't know if
Stroke.
Oh.
Crap.
Oh god, that's hilarious.
Crap. I gotta fix my gravity. Now I can listen to the stupid drum.
Bye bye.
Bye. Oh no, no, no. Not this. Not this. Not this. Anything but this.
Oh my god, he's done. Oh god, you're breaking the game. do you have to leave again? Maybe you have to go again. Man, this is fun. Oh god, oh god. Oh, my controllers. Oh god, where's my phone? My phone, I lost it. There it is. Oh god. God. God, this is funny. Okay.
I'm stuck.
Where are you?
Oh.
Okay, guys. I think it's gonna be the end of this video.
My guys.
He seems to be dying. He's dying a little.
Bye, guys.
Okay.
Told you
Bye,
this mod
guys.
sucks.